Hi, my name is Shelby, and I'm here to talk to entrepreneurs and beginners about how to make money online without being confused and stressed out in 15 minutes or less. Last video, I talked about how to put a PLR product, which gives you the right, private label rights, to resell a product after you put your own business brand on it. So, the way I found my digital product that was already done for me was in Royal Business Academy. This is a MRR Master Resale Right community. And inside this community, it teaches you everything from A to Z about how to start a business and how to market your business, including funding, grants, and all of those good things. Okay. Um, they also have business starter courses, which I talked about in my last video, and they have loads and loads of businesses that you can start. If you want to see what those businesses are, you can go back to my last video. And we worked on the PLR vault with 40,000 products, okay? I like to pull out the planners because it's easy for me to explain how this all works. And you can do this with anything that you choose to do. Everything is inside Canva. If you do not have Canva, I suggest that you register for Canva. You can use the free version, but I prefer the pro version because you get to use more tools inside. So because these are digital products, we have to create a page like this in order to have access to the products. So when people buy your product, you need to have a page like this that you can put links to take you to the actual product. And I will show you how to do that in another video because these are not downloadable. They are digital. So you're not able to download it. You have to have a platform like this in order to have access to the different things inside of Canva to edit. So the one that I worked on last week was this one right here, this planner right here. I changed it. Instead of having the front, I changed it to my brand, or it really not my brand, but it's just an example of how you can change it. And you can change all of these things right here. And I did that in my last video. You can check that out. Right now, I want to show you how to download this so that you can put it inside your store. So you go to share, and then you're going to go to download. Now, later I'm going to show you how to actually put the link inside for them to get access to the product. Right now, I just need a cover for my storefront so you can, like a cover to a book, so you know what you're getting. So, oh, I'm sorry. Before you go here, make sure it's a PNG or JPEG. JPEG is a lower size, so I'm gonna choose a JPEG because I think I'm at my limit. So I'm gonna pick the JPEG and then I'm gonna download that. And you're gonna see that in just a minute. Now I'm going over to Beacons because Beacons is Beacons is a platform that I like to use because they have a free version, and that free version is perfect for you to get started because you can put your products in there, you can play around with it, set your store up the way you want it to look. And then once you're ready to launch your products, I would suggest that you upgrade to Creator Pro or Store Pro depending on what you want to do. Now, if I suggest a Store Pro, once you get your products going and people start buying your products, because you're going to want unlimited emails to be sent out. With Creator Pro, you're limited. Store Pro, you're able to do so much more. So that's what I suggest. They also have an affiliate program where you can get commission for referring others to sign up for Beacons. If they pay for their monthly subscription, you get a commission every month. Now I want to show you how to upload your digital product into your Beacon store. So you go to digital product and then this is going to come up. So this section right here, this is what you need to, all these need to be checked into green. So your product title, we're going to put, oop, we're going to put, okay, hold it, weight loss planner, okay. This is just an example so you guys can get an idea. Only got 15 minutes. Okay. Then we're going to do a description. We're going to delete this here. And we're just going to put welcome, if I can spell correctly. Okay. Welcome to my weight loss planner. Okay. Then we want to go to, oh, I want to change the price. We're going to make this a sale item. So I'm going to put it was $20, just so you can see what it can do. And as you can see, it turned to $20, 75% off. So now they got a deal. Okay. That's always good. Now we're going to go down to media, and that's where I was downloading that cover. I'm about to grab that cover, and then I'm going to accept it. And why it looks like that, I have no idea. Um, but there's your cover. It normally doesn't look like that. I don't know what happened because I'm live on this video is cutting up. So we're gonna ignore that because it normally doesn't do that. And then products, we're gonna upload the file. Okay. Now we can't upload the file there, right? Because this is digital. So we're gonna go back to Canva. We're gonna go to share. And then we're going to go to anyone with link can edit, can comment, can view, we want it to say can edit. That means anybody that gets this book is able to reuse it, hence PLR. So they can come in and change it up just like I did. So anyone with link can edit. We're going to copy that link. And then we're going to go back to beacons, add a link, and we're going to copy that right in here. Oh, sorry, not right there. This is the name. Weight loss planner. And then we're going to copy the link in here where it says URL, okay? And then that's it. You're set to go. Let's see. Is everything checked off in sections? Check, 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 and check. Everything is good. So now, when we go into our link in bio, this is what your page will look like. And I can show you how to set this up in another video because that's going to take a little time. But I am going to add this product to my current store here. And so I'm going to add the product, and it's right here. I'm going to add, press the plus button, and it's going to add it right there, right? So let's see. Oops, right here. Yep, see, it's right here. It's got to add it right here. And that's how simple it is to put this together. So once you have it here, the next thing that you do would be to push that out to other people so that they know how to get to your product. Hence, content and TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, any place you can find. Copy paste ads. You can do old school, go pass out business cards with QR codes on them. Go to Eventbrite, find local networking meetings. And number 4 is mindset. In this space, if you want to be successful, you're going to have a good mindset. And when I say a good mindset, that means if you think that you're going to be successful, you're going to be successful. You're going to put the work in to be successful. But if you think it's going to be hard, you ain't got time, I ain't got no money, I ain't going to be able to do it, then this isn't for you. But for those of you that know who you are, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Because if you can relate to what I'm saying, then you're going to be okay. But if you're got doubts, think it's not going to work, then guess what? It's not. So that's why you have to have the right mindset. That's why you have to have people in place like me to help you keep your mindset in place because you're going to need that. And a lot of people don't tell people this before they get inside, right? And so that's where I come in. You get that for free with me. So that's taken care of. Number five, the biggest thing of all, you have to help others. That's simple, y'all. Help other people. That's what it's all about. Each one teach one. That's what I like to say because I learned some information the hard way. I did a lot of things the wrong way. But you know what they say? If you keep going, you learn from your mistakes. I have learned from my mistakes. I've gone through all the trials and errors. I got it now. So now I can teach you without having to go through all that I went through. I got the shortcut and I want to help you. Hence, helping others. Because it's not always about the money. It's not always about that. Once you start helping others, then that'll come naturally. Because people are going to know, like, and trust you, and they're going to want to give you their money because they're going to love you like family. So that's why you have to build that community. And building the community takes time because you're going to be talking to people all around the world when you get online to promote your products. So you have to build that community. So those are the five things that you need. You can watch my other video that breaks them all down. I hope this was beneficial. I hope you were able to learn a few things about setting up your Beacon store with your PLR products or MRR products or any product for that matter. I love Beacons because it is a way to put your product somewhere real quick and then you're ready to go. So, if you want to upgrade your beacons, if you have a free version, I have a $20 discount if you sign up. So I'll have that link in the bottom of my description. And if you guys want to learn more about how to start your online business and all the A through Z about that, I have a e-course that tells you everything you need to know about digital marketing, and I will be your mentor one-on-one, and I will be throwing in a workbook to help you figure out if you want to create your own digital products, how you can do that. And it'll give you a whole bunch of different ideas and tips to help you with any product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, to people that may need to know this information also, because I'm here to help you find all the ways that you can make money online without being confused or stressed out, because I know how it could be. When I first started out, it was not easy. But because I have gone through all of the trials and errors, I'm here to tell you how to do it without having to worry about none of that. We can get straight to the point. So thank you again so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate your time. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah. See you guys next time.